Friday, November 8th, 2024. Just north of Dalton, US Highway 41, Georgia Highway 3. We're going to head north. We're going to stop. Next time we stop, we're going to check air in our tires. It looks like we may have one, maybe two tires low. We will check with the Hyper Tough air inflator. We'll let it do its thing. It is 11:20, going to about 78, 79. We're leaving Dalton, Georgia. It says it's 72 in Rocky Face right now. We'll probably stop up here in Tunnel Hill and check these tires. Check our fluids, make sure everything's okay before we go any further. Make sure everything's okay before we go any further. Coming up on Georgia Highway 201. To the left will take you over through Villanelle. Lafayette Road, you can pick up 136 and go to Lafayette. General up since I've been up here. I mean, it hadn't been, well, it's been several months, I guess. It's been longer. I tell you what, time gets away. You know, I haven't been in a lot of construction sites, all kind of stuff, and I've just had one tire fixed. Had a little bitty, like about an 18 gauge pin nail in it. Now I've got at least one other tire going down slow. But next stop we're going to check the tires. And like I say, we use our own air because they charge you $1.50, $2 for air now. Absolutely gorgeous all fall day, and still morning. We have 3 sort of long videos to upload off the phone. We're giving it a rest. Switch over to the GoPro Black 10. West, US 76. At 201, oh, there's the law. There he is. He's going to get you. He's going to get you. Sitting there with that radar gun. There's 2 more. He's going to tell you. He's going to radio ahead to them, and then they'll come get you. Well, I think they just live there. He'll get you. Teach you a lesson. 8-foot butcher block, $130. I bet they're not very good. $1,000 giveaway. What? Dalton RV back there, and Dalton's a pretty good RV place. I've done business with them a couple times. Pretty good people. Seem to be honest, straightforward. A lot more than I can say for a lot of these RV dealers. Okay, Tunnel Hill city limits. We'll turn and go down by Tunnel Hill, and we're going to check our tires and all that good stuff. Look at that old Mack truck. We need to get some pictures of it. Mack fire truck. Civil War, Western Atlantic Railroad, next right. Great locomotive chase came right up these tracks, right through the tunnel. Oh, look at that tree. That's nice. Very nice. Very nice. Like that house too. Now they have tours of the tunnel. They don't just let you go through the tunnel on your own. You've got to go down here and pay and ride their little cart. I guess they're probably up there doing one now. Okay, we're going to pull in here and we're going to back in up here. And we're going to check we just pull in right over here. We're going to check the air in all our tires. Nice church over there. Let's turn this off and we'll get check our tires. Okay, well this is one I thought we were going to have a leak in, but this is showing 59 pounds of pressure. So that's just right. Well, these back is so you can put 80 in. The front is 60 or 50. This one is just fine. The only thing about this little Hyper Tough, the power cord isn't quite long enough. I need an extension for it. But this little Hyper Tough will run on 110 or 12 volt. So let's disconnect it from this tire. We will check this one over here, and then we'll check the other side. Okay, there we go. This one is showing 68. That's a little bit much for the front tires, but we're going to leave it alone. With the rise in temperature, it's been a little bit cooler. It's gotten warmed up, it's warmed back up. And with that, the air pressure in these tires has gone up a little bit. This is the one I had fixed last week for $25. So let's move our Hyper Tough over to the other side and check those two tires. Now this one's showing 59. But with that other side at 68, I'm going to put 65 in these. Now, like I said, these tires will hold 80 pounds. These are 10-ply tires. We will check this one once we get that other one filled up. But yeah, this little thing is neat. It's going to take a little bit to do that. So while we're doing that, like I said, this looking down through there, Tunnel Hill's behind that building on up through there. And I have videos of Tunnel Hill, so I don't think we're going to spend time going up there. While we're waiting for that tire to plug up, I'm going to plug this for you. This little Ryobi impact wrench will be a lifesaver on the road. Tire companies run these tires, these lug nuts up too tight. Unless they do it right, you will not be able to change your tires on the side of the road. Of course, how many people change the tires on the side of the road now besides me? The lug nuts get them on too tight with these impacts. So I am carrying this with me now. If I have a flat or whatever, I'll be able to change my own tire. It's worked very good so far. Up to 600 foot-pounds breakaway torque, brushless, 4 mode. It's worked out very good so far. Okay, well this one's got 62. It just looked like it was low. So we're good to go. And like I said, with that cord, it's not quite long enough for this van. So I've got this extension, this inverter, but I've also have a 12 volt 10-foot socket extension that I can stick in there to give me 10 feet, then plug this into that socket. So we've got all that covered. Okay, let's wrap all this up and get back on the road, and we will continue on. Okay, we'll just ride down through here a little bit and let y'all see this. Clearance, it says is 10 feet. We don't need but 8.6. I was thinking they had this blocked off, but I guess not. Awfully pretty country, isn't it? I say 1864. This is November 1864. Most of the fighting in this area, I guess, was concluded because Atlanta fell September of 1864. So what, 60 years ago? This spring, there was a lot of activity, very lot of violent activity, Americans killing each other. We have video of this bridge. We have video of the creek coming underneath there. Well, that's awfully pretty. We may have to stop and get a couple of pictures of that. I've got pictures of Tunnel Hill, so we're not going to spend a lot of time here. We're just going to turn around and head back out. Old railroad wheels, axle, some kind of smokestack or something. Little lights, so lights, yes, old light system. Parking area closed today. They got that gate open today. I wonder if we can walk through that tunnel. I haven't seen that gate open before. Parking area closed at dusk. Okay, well, let's park and walk up there then. I thought it said parking area closed today, but it says parking area closed at dusk. We'll ask those ladies if that gate is open up there. Hey, is it okay to go up to this gate, or are y'all locking that one up?
Yeah, you can go up to the gate. Yeah,
okay.
But, you know, you're not on the walking tour right yet. The paid.
No.
Okay. Yeah. If you're interested in that, stop by.
Okay.
We have a walking tour. It's $13, and you can walk around and walk through the tunnel. We'll unlock it for you. So.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Okay. Appreciate it.
So the men wrote that. They knew at that point.
Okay, like I say, this is where the general came through. A great locomotive chase. Western Atlantic Railroad. The new tunnel is right over there. I'll run this up and see if we can get it up high enough for y'all to see. Chunks of coal. If y'all have never seen a coal fire, y'all are missing it. I love an old pot-bellied stove. Okay, we can't get in, but we'll stick the camera in. We could. See how easily we get distracted? We won't be able to get half of what we wanted to get done today. Let's get some pictures, still pictures.